Now, under A reading, the lesson which we have already read, what the lesson is, Oliver asks for more. And we have understood the lesson point to point, incident to incident, right? Now, let us check our own knowledge about the lesson, what we read and how much we understood. For that, we have to raise our own questions. Means, if this is the incident, how best a question can be raised? Now, the incident here, what is this? You can see here, the first one. Who was Oliver? Now, second, what do you understand by the word orphan? If you see this question, the peculiarity of the question is, it has the half answer with it. What was it? Or what is it? Who was Oliver? And here we have the answer. That is orphan. Oliver was or Oliver is an orphan. Because it is was, we have to use was. Because it is, we have to use is. Oliver is an orphan. Now, within the lesson itself, we have been given the meaning of the word orphan. Orphan ki meaning talaka, word talaka meaning manaki icharu. Entadi evadikaithe talli dandri undaro. Right? So now the same thing has been asked. What do you understand by the word orphan? By the word orphan, I understand the child or the children who do not have the parents, father and mother. Now once again, what do you understand by the word orphan? By the word orphan, I understand those children who do not have the parents, mother and father. So that way we understood, that is the point we have been given. And next, what was the live board? Or what is the live board? The members who run an organization. Here what is the organization? The workhouse. The workhouse is the organization there wherein Oliver was brought. What for was he brought there? He was brought to learn something. Learn something means some kind of art or some kind of means of livelihood he has to learn. He is an apprentice over there. He will be given food and he has to learn work. By that learning itself he has to earn for the orphanage. This is why Oliver was brought in. That is also a question here. You can see, why was Oliver brought into the workhouse? Oliver was brought into the workhouse to, here we have in the page number, to be taught a useful trade. Why was he brought? He was brought into the workhouse so that he should be taught, some useful trade, some job which he can handle nicely. To learn that, he was brought over there. One more question we have answered here. And now, when he had faced the live board, he got trembled, I said already. And also he cried. What is the reason behind it? Because he had never seen a live board. When he understood a live board consists of some 6 to 7 or 8 men sitting around the table. These are very gentlemen. And he could not make out what to speak, what not to speak. He stood there. And meanwhile, Bumble bet him on his back with the stick. So he trembled because he faced the live board, and he cried because Bumble bet him on his back with this stick. This also incident, if at all the question comes, we can write. And now, what were the two alternatives to be given to the poor according to the board? The board constituted by 6 or 8 or 10 whatsoever gentlemen over there. Very fat gentlemen sitting in the chairs round the table. What have they decided for the poor? They have decided only two alternatives. What are they? Either be outside the workhouse, starve and die, or be inside the workhouse. And death is, dying is ultimate. There is no for that. You have to die. Inside you will be slowly you will be dying. If it is outside, you will quickly, for the starvation, you will die. Starvation is the same reason here and there also. But alternatives given is either you be outside and die out of hunger, be inside, die out of hunger, but slowly. These are the only alternatives given by the board to the poor. And next, what did Oliver ask for? What more did Oliver ask for? Oliver asked for some more of the gruel. What do you understand by the gruel? Gruel is a very thin liquid which is made out of some, what we can say is some powder, some edible powder. With that it is made a thin fluid like thing, that is gruel. And how much is given to him, each fellow? Each inmate of the workhouse, he used to get a bowl full 3 times of the day. 3 times of the day, a bowl full, each inmate of the workhouse used to get. Whether it is breakfast, whether it is lunch, or whether it is dinner, whatsoever, the 3 bowlfuls are given to them. Finished. Or occasionally, once in a week or so, a piece of onion would also be given. In addition to that, as a bonus. Like that, we can make many questions, small questions, and where we can answer them. Let us not constitute a question where we cannot answer it. We have to make a question ourselves and we will be able to answer it. That is called questioning and answering. And here there are questions. Then when we do this exercise, questioning myself, answering myself, then the questions which are there behind, they become easier for us to answer. Then the total lesson is easy. Likewise, we have to go lesson by lesson. Right? Now let us see the poem. What is the poem over there? Here is a poem, we can see. The poem is The Cry of Children. What kind of questions we can put over here? Right? Let us see.